a crayon in his hand, coloring outside the law, redrawing lines on the map, thinking nobody saw, screaming stolen election, while he rigs the game, mailing votes under attack, but he's the one to blame. A ballot! Every ballot's a voice, every voice should count, but he stacks the deck, tries to shut us out. Fell on fascist, despicable dude. Stop Agent Orange, the pedo in the White House. Stop the fascists from tearing freedom down. Preserve democracy, lift the people's vote. Free, transparent elections, let the balance flow. We need more freedom, less dictatorship, no more lies from the MAGA dumpster fire. Questioning voters with nothing to prove, spreading fear so the people can't move, gerrymandering every block inside, MAGA's cheating in broad daylight. But the people are stronger when we unite for what is right. We'll work together, protecting our republic from fascist factions. Stop Agent Orange, the pedo in the White House. Stop the fascists from tearing freedom down. Preserve democracy, lift the people's vote. Mail-in voting, let the ballots flow free. We need more freedom, less dictatorship, no more lies from the MAGA dumpster fire. From the cities to the countryside, we'll break the chains, turn the tide. One person, one vote, let it be. No tyrant will own our democracy. Stop Agent Orange, the pedo in the White House. Stop the fascists from tearing freedom down.